Okay, there's a really cool drum fill from the Cars song, Just What I Needed. Let's go ahead and break down how to play that. Here we go. It's not the ribbons in your hair. I don't mind you coming here and wasting all my time. So you can play it one of two ways. You can play with a triplet, so triplet bass, but there's 4 strokes. It's like this. Da 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 da, doom doom doom. Da 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 da, doom doom doom. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. It's all right left right left. Ba da da da, doom doom doom. Or you can fit 5 notes in. So 1 2 3 4 5. Boom boom boom. Da 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 da, dun dun dun, boom boom boom, boom boom boom, boom boom boom, boom boom boom. Right? Fitting that extra note in, if you can keep everything nice and low and crisp, it can really drive it that much more. So, boom boom boom, boom boom boom. Notice I'm not doom doom doom, muscling out every single stroke. Wrists are low, everything's loose, fingers are helping out. Whoops. Boom, boom, boom. It's nice and snappy, right? Watch the hand technique video. TempoLeague.com will teach you all you need to know to get that kind of technique built up. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. The Cars, Just What I Needed. Awesome song, awesome drum track. Practice that on your toms. It's pretty addicting. Have fun with that. Bye.